had a brother.
Камина в 6 утра.
His name was Pete.
Разбитая душа. И все твои обещания пустота.